My God, there's some guy outside mowing his lawn at 6 a.m. I can't sleep, but I'm hungry. Let's make some breakfast. Let me show you how to make a French omelet. Welcome to my way too early in the morning French omelet making tutorial. Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is grab your eggs from the refrigerator and crack 3 of them into a mixing bowl. Whisk them until they're completely emulsified, then put your eggs to the side. We'll season them later. Grab a knob of butter and place it in a non-stick saute pan over low heat. Make sure the bottom of the pan is totally covered with melted butter. Now pour your eggs into the pan and start stirring. Make sure you maintain a low and steady heat through the entire cooking process. As you continue to stir, your eggs will thicken up slightly, and that's a good thing. Now is the time to season them with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Keep stirring over low heat, and once your eggs hit about 3/4 of the way to soft scramble stage, spread them over the bottom of the pan and add your fillings. I'm using Gruyere cheese and sauteed mushrooms, but you do you and put whatever you want on your omelet. By now, the egg will have set a little bit more underneath, but it's still sort of soft on top. That's your cue to start carefully rolling up your omelet. Position your omelet in the pan so it's easy for you to turn it out onto a plate. The final 2 steps include rubbing your omelet with some butter to give it a sweet little shine, and then topping it with some freshly cut herbs. Now it's time for me to sit down and enjoy this perfectly cooked, delicious looking omelet and sip on a 3rd cup of coffee. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks.